Alright guys, well, we are out here in the Excursion. We got about a 15-minute ride back home. So I thought maybe we'd talk a little bit about this thing and I'll tell you what I like about it, what I don't like about it so far. I have had it for 2 months maybe, like that. Maybe not quite that long. So far, what I don't like about it is really a short list. I really like this truck. I do not like the fuel mileage. The fuel mileage absolutely sucks, and I knew that going into it. But I tell you, it's one thing when you know you're not gonna, you say, I know it's gonna get bad fuel mileage, right? It's another thing when you're filling the truck up every other day, or something like that. When you're the one filling the tank up, it's a lot different than when you're shopping, window shopping on the internet, and you're like, yeah, it's gonna get bad fuel mileage, but it looks cool. It has a 44-gallon fuel tank, and I think I don't believe the speedometer. I think it's like 10 miles, almost 10 miles an hour off. So then I believe when that's the case, then the odometer is not quite right. So then your trip odometer wouldn't be right. So the onboard miles per gallon system is saying that we're getting about 10, but I believe that we're probably getting about 7.5 miles a gallon, more accurately. Now that's with 37s and about an 8.5 inch lip. So, I'm not surprised. But it still does suck filling it up. And But I do love the Excursion way better than I do the 3/4